In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the Chevy Express blower motor resistor. Step number one, what you want to do is pop open the hood on your Chevy Express van. There should be a small little latch over here. There we go. And then step number two, what we need to do here is we need to loosen the coolant tank right here. This is a 10mm bolt right here. So we're going to go find the 10mm socket here in the garage with the ratchet. Remember, lefty loosey. Then we're going to loosen this real quick here. Then once you have that bolt out of there, step number three, what we need to do here is just move this forward a little bit. This should slide and come right out. But all we need to do is be able to work on this pigtail right here. And this is the unit right here, the blower motor resistor. Step number three, what we want to do here is locate the resistor over here, and we want to unplug this pigtail. So lift that up and then pull it out. And then next what we need to do here is we need to unbolt these bolts right here. And it's actually a 5.5mm socket. I had to run to the auto parts store for that. Thank you, GM, for that. Not sure why you ran 5.5mm, but it is what it is. I would advise you use an extension just to kind of get in there a little bit. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to loosen these. Okay, so there's one of the screws. Then we're going to do the other one here. Then you should be able to just pull this entire assembly out right here. But you got to remember here, it is still attached to this pigtail here. So go ahead and just remove this one as well. Next, what you have to do is push down on this little tab like so. There's the old one. And then here is the brand new blower motor resistor kit for the Chevy Express. I got a Dorman one. You can buy it on Amazon for pretty cheap. I'll throw a link in the description down below. Step number four, what we're going to do here is insert the new blower motor resistor right where the old one was. You can see right where it lines up here. The screw holes should line up. Then grab the old screws here and then just reinsert those. Here's the second one. Tighten down those bolts a little bit. Then what we can do here is plug back in the pigtails how they were. So this one was flipped like this. Should just be able to push it down and snap it in like so. And then this one as well. Just kind of put this in there like that. Line it up, push it down. You'll hear a small little click. And then the last step is to put back this coolant tank here. So just push it in like so. Make sure the screw hole lines up down here. Grab that bolt, and then just put that back on there and then tighten it. Aha! It works! We have success! Hopefully this helped you figure out how to fix a Chevy Express blower mower resistor. Leave a comment down below if you need any help.